Be blessed by the divine. Busier minds require more time to be quiet. Well, meditation can help you in this. Do you know that a lot of CEOs of busy companies worldwide have now taken refuge into meditation practices? The reason? They want to quieten their minds. I too have gotten into this and it has helped me a lot. I am a CEO of a fairly busy and a growing organization focused on affordable housing in India. Now, as a CEO, my job involves quite a lot of decision making, talking to people, being a brand ambassador myself, and marketing, sales, strategizing, conceptualization, innovation, product design, architecture, and also raising money and making sure that the overall operation is working fine. With so many responsibilities, certainly one could imagine what a busy mind I must be having. Without meditation practices, I believe that my brain would have gotten frozen with high CPU usage and extreme memory usage, obviously gotten overheated and completely froze. And that's not how the brain works at this point of time, thanks to my meditation methods. How has it helped me? First and foremost, I dedicate my morning hours for my meditation, introspection, and exercise practices. I never miss my exercises and meditation in my life. And this is the secret of my energy. The moment I do my exercises, it calms me down and helps me to meditate in a much calmer state of mind. Meditation helps me to do my exercises much better. Then I introspect as many times as possible during the course of the day, as many minutes as possible. It has become a habit that as soon as a thought arises, a question also comes up. Where is this thought coming up from? Is it my own? Is it out of habit? Is it out of a need? Is it out of others' imposition? Is it out of environmental conditions? Is it divinity? Is it genetics? And then I ask myself, why is this thought arising in me? Will it cause harm for me, self, or others, now or in the future, physically or mentally? If it is so, what should be my alternative thought pattern in this? I instantly start choosing what is good for me and others now or in the future, physically or mentally, and train my mind to superimpose my negative thoughts with positive thoughts and overcome the negative thoughts and build positivity. And this keeps my mind pretty quiet. I also focus on my desires. A strong thought that motivates me to act on it is a desire. You would agree with that. And desires are absolutely necessary for us to succeed. Even the desire to give up desire is a desire. So therefore, no human being can live without a desire. Now, desires are sometimes bad. They say, why? Because it becomes beyond our capacity or ability to fulfill, or if we fulfill, can result in pain for self or others, now or in the future, physically or mentally. So such unfulfilled desires become greed. And greed is not good for us. So to remove these greedy thoughts, or so-called moralizing the desires, our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi has taught me a practice. By listing down my desires and asking a few questions as to, is it absolutely necessary? What is the past experience of these desires if I have fulfilled it in the past? And do I have the physical, mental, financial capacity to fulfill it? What will be the results of fulfilling the desire in the future? Will my society, namely my children, my family, my brothers, sisters, and my extended family and the world community, will they accept if I fulfill this desire? By asking these questions, I come to a conclusion which then is useful in superimposing my old thought pattern which led to the old desire, and I visualize and strengthen the new thought pattern and overcome my greed. I have been training myself to neutralize anger continuously in my life, and there is no practical method more powerful than the one taught by our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi. Again, this stress, I have constantly worked towards eradicating my stress, eradicating my worries and fears. But today I can say I am a stress-free, worry-free, fear-free human being. Finally, the introspection about who am I. It is a beautiful introspection that I invite you to come and experience and enjoy bliss in your life. Visit simplifiedkundaliniyoga.com and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. More videos are coming your way. Be blessed by the divine.